Bentornati al nostro corso di grammatica italiana. Welcome back to our Italian grammar lesson. We will take another step forward to make your Italian more confident and natural, and we will look singular and plural, or in Italian, singolare e plurale. Let's look at the singular and plural.
Italiano o italiana? Osservate. In Italian, if a word ends in E or O, it is most likely singular masculine, and to make it plural, add I to the end of the word. Crack on the examples. Studente, studenti. Chiave, chiavi. It means key in English. Gelato, gelati. It means ice cream in English, as you can see. And we can see maschili and femminili. Maschili, singolare, plurale, gelato, gelati, studente, studenti. When we look at the singular feminine, if a word ends to make it plural, we should add E to ends of the words. Pagina, pagine. And if a word ends E to make it plural, we should add E to ends of the word. Chiave, chiavi. Key, keys. Or pagina, pagine. Paper, papers. Crack on the other examples, but I will do only an example, and the other example you will do. Finestra, finestre. It means window, windows. And finally, let's look at the 4, section 4. Osservate la tabella e scrivete le parole al plurale. Look at the table and write the words to plural. Ragazzo alto, ragazzi alti. And look at the other examples in singular and plural. Il libro, I libri. Book and books. La porta, le porte. Door and doors. And in Italian singular and plural, there are some words in both masculine and feminine, such as fiore, fiori, flower, and flowers. Notte, notti, night, and nights. Insegnante, insegnanti, teacher, and teachers. And there's some exceptions in Italian singular and plural, such as l'amica, le amiche, girl, and girls.
And it ended to our second lesson. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification for the next lesson. See you soon. Arrivederci.